We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing and often mispronounced medical terms too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it? There are two different ways of pronouncing it. Either, this is probably the most common one, commonly used one, as dyshidrotic, or in American English, dyshidrotic. Now, the other way of pronouncing it that is also correct and used is as dyshidrotic or dyshidrotic in American English. So, dyshidrotic or dyshidrotic. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos for you on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.